Today we'll talk about how can you find your favorites on your Travigo's app. On your Travigo app, we'll go to figure out this solution on how you can do that on your Travigo app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. Just go down here, you click here on favorites, you just click on it here, then you come to this list here, and here you will find all favorites you have. So here, like you see, I have no favorites, but if you have it, you will find it here in this list on your Travigo app. So that's all you have to do to find your favorites. I wish know you I get it. That's all. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.